Mercer Medical School taking aim at diabetes and hypertension in Central Georgia. It's launching a program to get people help by phone from doctors in Macon. Mercer announced the program at a news conference this morning. It will be part of an initiative to help Georgia's rural counties with health problems and healthcare access. State numbers show much of Central Georgia has high rates of diabetes and hypertension cases. One reason for that, Mercer Medical says, is a lack of access to good food. Inslee Nichols explains how limited food options in rural areas can make it hard to stay healthy.
Doing good.
Pam Perry lives in Crawford County, 8 miles from the closest grocery.
Get all the essentials.
She says aside from the essentials, it's hard to find many options.
We are limited, and thank goodness for this grocery store, because I guess it's the only grocery store in town.
The options at grocery stores in rural Central Georgia can be scarce.
And grocery shoppers in rural areas find it harder to find healthy options because there's so many unhealthy options.
Food culture in rural areas is a challenge for some because produce is harvested for the rest of the state and then sent away. These rural communities are known as food deserts because people don't have access to healthy food. Perry tries to avoid that by having her own garden at home.
My husband has a garden that is way bigger than what we could possibly eat.
Mercer Medical also says diabetes is more common in rural areas because it is harder to live a healthy lifestyle. But Perry tries to beat that.
If you're doing yard work or taking care of that garden, that's pretty good exercise.
Perry says while the grocery stores don't have the best options, she always tries to leave the store with healthy groceries. In Fort Valley, Inslee Nichols, 13 WMAZ News.
Have a good day.
You too.
Now, to help people who struggle with diabetes in rural areas, Mercer Medical says they plan to launch their telephone help program in several Georgia counties where they see the greatest need, then expand it to in several months.